Oh man, what are you staring at me? And me and my friends, that's kinda creepy. Don't just be prowling around the old folks' home. Come on, dude. Leave us alone. That's not overplayed.
I don't listen to radio ever.
Oh.
I play my iPhone.
This is the best song ever.
I know.
Let's see how people react to us. Suck my motherfucking dick. Suck my dick. Suck my motherfucking dick. Suck my dick. Suck my motherfucking dick. Suck my dick. Suck my motherfucking suck my dick. That guy was kind of laughing. My motherfucking suck my dick. Suck my motherfucking suck my dick. Suck my motherfucking. In the parking lot too. We're gonna be listening to songs. We're going to Target. I know. She like tried to
Like that, the wave has just started. She's kind of behind me. Wow.
suck my dick. Suck my motherfucking motherfucking dick. Motherfucker. Look, that's pretty. Look in front of us. It's not pretty. You can't really tell.
Out early so that you don't run me over, okay?
Target. Suck my motherfucking dick. Suck my dick. Suck my motherfucking suck my dick. Suck my motherfucking suck my motherfucking my dick. Suck my motherfucking dick. Guys. I'm gonna video our Target trip.
Our target is Vincer.
Yeah, Target adventure.